I would like to conclude this wonderful presentation that Dr. Prat made. That in homeopathy, we believe that disease is a disturbance of your life force, and that is manifested as apparently as signs and symptoms, but there is something more than the signs and symptoms. And what is that? That is something more than the signs and symptoms. What is very significant is the feeling of dis-ease, not at ease. Are you there?
Yes.
So what this dis-ease, not at ease is, it can be at a physical level, it can be at a mental emotional level, it can be on a spiritual level. There is a disturbance which manifests at many levels. This disturbance is like a ghost, एक भूत के जैसा होता है. जैसे आपके अंदर एक भूत घुस गया, समझो कि वो भूत है. I will give you an example. उन्होंने बताया ये भूत है लिमिटेशन का, मैं लिमिटेड हूँ. अगर मेरे अंदर ये भूत है कि मैं लिमिटेड हूँ, तो मेरी लाइफ में क्या होएगा? क्या होएगा? सबसे पहले मुझे एक ऐसी सांस मिलेगी जो मुझे एकदम रिस्ट्रिक्ट करेगी, बाहर नहीं जाने देगी. तो आपका जो ये अंदर का स्टोरी है लिमिटेड होना, अगर मेरे अंदर ये है कि मैं लिमिटेड हूँ, मैं बाहर नहीं जा सकती हूँ, तो आपको you will get a mother-in-law who will screw your happiness. ओके? आप सोचोगे कि अरे मेरी मदर-इन-लॉ की वजह से मेरा ये हाल है, लेकिन मदर-इन-लॉ की वजह से ये हाल नहीं है. ये हाल आपकी अंदर की जो अवस्था है, वो that state of being attracts this situation for you, so that you validate I am limited, because that's the flag you are carrying. Are you there? So if you have a flag in your hand that you are limited, then your life is going to produce situations that will make you more and more and more limited. और फिर हम क्या करते हैं? मैंने बोला था ना, मेरी लाइफ बहुत लिमिटेड है, देखा मैंने बोला था ना. और हर रोज कुछ भी वाकया होगा, anything happens. For example, if everything goes well, then you develop knee problems. Then you say, मैंने बोला था ना, मेरा नसीब यही है, मेरा लिमिटेशन ही है. Then you will develop asthma. You will say, मेरा यही था ना, लिमिटेशन. मैं बोला था ना, मैं रोज बोलती हूँ ना आपको. I'm telling you every day, no? So what we do is we validate. And most of the life we spend validating our dukhi state. And we only play one song. That is why we call this academy the other song. In crude Gujarati we call station. When you don't know to word station, they say station. Our station is atrophied in one place. तो वही विविध भारती ही बचता है. There is nothing else that is possible. Your radio cannot play BBC. Your radio cannot play CNN. Your radio cannot play FM. Your radio is stuck in Vivid Bharati. Then only Vivid Bharati can play in your. Whether you go to America or you go to the moon, your radio will only play Vivid Bharati. And then you complain that my life is Vivid Bharati. Are you there? So is the knee cause for my limitation, or is the limitation cause for my knee? Are you there with me what I'm saying? I'll give you an example from my own life. There was once I was driving from my clinic home, and I just for no reason, I started feeling as if I am hurt. As किसने मेरा मन दुखाया है. I was feeling suddenly a sensation. अरे, I'm feeling as if somebody has hurt me. Now this came to me after I'm more aware now. Previously these things would happen and I would not even notice it, because I would be occupied in driving my car and the police and the traffic and the horn and whatever. These things don't register. They are at a subconscious level. Yes. So I got just a feeling suddenly that as if somebody has hurt me, and I went home, and immediately in 5 minutes I picked up a fight with my wife. Okay? Now I had a reason to say, I am hurt because you are like this. This is exactly what I am trying to say is, there is something which you already have inside, and what that is your state of being, your avastha. There is something running in your inner self, and then you attract exactly that situation in your life. You attract exactly that kind of a mother-in-law in your life, that kind of a boss in your life, that kind of a physical disease in your life. Say, if I have got fear and lack of confidence, I am very scared. I am very scared to face the world. But can I tell the world that I am very scared to face the world? I want to cover it up, no? So what will happen? I will develop some disease that will help me to limit my exposure to the world. Are you there? Then you will say, I am happy being here. But gradually, this limitation will keep increasing. The system will produce more and more reasons to feel limited. Because our inner system, our consciousness, our mind, body and the spirit, all three are very, very deeply patterned. You understand this word patterned? Whatever happens in our life is completely programmed and patterned. By whatever, whoever. We don't blame ourselves. We only need to be aware that there is a patterning, there is a programming. This patterning and programming is not actually done by your own self. This patterning and programming is influence of so many things that your consciousness has undergone in so many time zones. One doesn't know from where it comes. A part of it you can say it's genetic or hereditary, but there is a lot more from where it comes. That part of our being is beyond time and space. It comes from some dimension which is completely unimaginable. We can't imagine. Because there is a mind, there is a body, and there is the energy, there is the vital force, there is the life force. And it is the life force that is programmed, that is patterned. So that program runs through your mind and through your body. And it manifests in symptoms, in signs, in your disease. Your disease talks that my knee is not good, I should not go out, I should sit at home. But first is you feel that कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, there is a lack of confidence, I need to sit at home, and then the disease starts. Egg first or hen first? Both go together. So very often what we see as the cause, of the problem, that the mother-in-law is the cause of my knee problem, I would say the knee problem is the cause for your mother-in-law the way she is. You are the cause, all the cause is inside of you. And this is what we call in homeopathy, or what we treat in homeopathy as disease, which is a pattern which runs in the body, which runs in the mind, which runs in the energy field. And when we observe a pattern, we are able to heal that pattern with a very similar resonating substance in nature. I'll just end the break with one small example. One day I had two female patients on one day. Morning appointment 10 o'clock, afternoon appointment 12 o'clock. The first woman came and she cried and cried and cried for 2 hours. My clinic was flooded with tears. How many tissues went, I don't know. She was speaking less and she was weeping more. And her problem was her mother-in-law. How bad a person she is. How she has screwed her happiness completely. How she cannot go out. How she feels like a victim. How she feels dominated. How she feels tortured. How she feels whatever. Okay? After studying the case, okay, I understood the pattern. I gave her the remedy, whatever. Then came the next patient. And I asked her, how are you? What is your problem? She says, I've got some knee problems. Okay. Tell me about your knee problem. There is only one problem, doctor. Because of these knee pains, I can't go to kitty parties. Very good. So tell me about this. Because of I have knee problems. Still मैं बहुत नाचती हूँ डॉक्टर. मैं नाच नहीं सकती हूँ. अभी थोड़ा मेरा नी प्रॉब्लम की वजह से मैं किटी पार्टी में नहीं जा सकती हूँ. मैं नाच नहीं सकती हूँ. मैं मजा नहीं कर सकती हूँ. बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ मेरे को every day I am out from morning 8 to night 8. I come sometimes at 10 also at night. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Then वो केस बुक भर के देते हैं ना. So I saw the name and both of them had the same name and same surname. Means they had the same surname and the same address. So I asked her कि वो आपके पहले जो सुबह में आई, who was that? She says, she is my sister-in-law. You mean to say you both have the same mother-in-law? She says, yes. Why? Do you have any problem with your mother-in-law? बोलती नहीं है, वो घर में है, अच्छी है, वो कर दिया अपना. See how the same mother-in-law is perceived by one daughter-in-law and how is perceived by the other daughter-in-law. The mother-in-law is the same. For one lady, the mother-in-law is there so she can go and enjoy. For another lady, the mother-in-law is there so that she can torture. After we gave the remedy, this woman who was very scared of her mother-in-law, her fear went away. The moment her fear went away, she could completely confront her mother-in-law in a really healthy way. And once she confronted her mother-in-law a couple of times, they became over a period of time best of friends. Till the time you keep taking, people will keep doing that to you because you are Vivid Bharati, so BBC is not going to come in you, right? And after giving the dose of the remedy, when you or by any other way, there are many ways in which a person can heal himself. When you are healed, then possibilities open, doors open. Then you have a choice, whether I want to be limited, I want to be free. Yes? Freud has said one very beautiful thing, the master of psychology. He says, when unconscious becomes conscious, when unconscious becomes conscious, choice is established. Yes, so we want some choice in us. And that's where homeopathy and many healing ways help to create possibilities, choice. We assume that because a certain age we have become a senior citizen, so this cannot happen now, this I cannot do, this is not for me. This is a belief system that will stop you. I feel if Devanand can make a movie at 19, why not I? Okay? So we break for a tea.
Thank you so much.